Kani kadiga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Menteri Berdipet Yaknat Kakot Kyak Sorkar Jila, Uba Alexander Elhek, Haka Sautrik Unaitung Arjar Arpo, Ula Pli Umaunong Rem Nakbentaban Kintiu Kerdan, Yak Renjak State Dispensary, Shaka Urban Primary Health Center. Haka jinyalang belalong Harenjak State Dispensary. Haka ni ngila sakilang ru da MLA kanong Thamai constituency Uba Charles Pingro, Bat U Director Jongka Health Services, U Dr. Amanwar, Bat Kiwe. Ka Sorkar Kalamang Pisaru R.nyop kendai klor tengka nak bentawan tay kini projek yang bala kami lintiru ban pendap hapo ki khat prabanai hakini kisngi ba al hek ubra long rokom kongsan wasam hado shipaulang sauhnyo jar ndruspa sanpu sautli ki musari shaki district health and medical officer jongkari bhoi ka west khasi hills ka southwest khasi hills ka east jenta hills ka west jenta hills bat ka east khasi hills district ka jingsami ni musari ka long komsi bentaban pen orlong ya ka thong ban rat ding khong ya ka jingpang malaria house name Arhajar Laipo.
This dispensary has all along been providing very good service to the people in and around Rinjak. And we have noted with joy and with happiness, and we are very satisfied with the senior medical health officer present here with all her staff during this COVID-19. At the way that they have handled things, at the way that they have handled the onslaught which happened recently, highly commendable. We are sure that with the upgradation of this dispensary to a primary health center, the services to be provided will be enhanced and the benefit will percolate down to the last citizen in and around this center.
And putting the department ki phero pher joka sarkar mayu iba ka health department under the able leadership of our honorable minister and the respected director, they left no stone unturned to combat this virus. And we must put on record as elected representatives and Kumki Dorbar Shnong Jongka Jilahi Borokowai, but Nakanong Thamai Pulunru, that we really appreciate your good service, your dedicated service, and undying efforts to help the people at this time. Kumka Sinjuk Yom Bashnong Jogadong Thamai Pulun, we have our president here, Baba Antelinari. They have also worked hard and with full cooperation with the Rinja Urban Primary Health Center now, and also the Nongthamai Urban Health Center, to assist all the people and to make sure that we are all safe and sound in our respective places. Hakini isnambol adep mun bagadong long songknor jong dorbar Thawain. Ngalaw yu bahek ang kani pidibin tintiw na shaka kaniga health center kay. Di iman ila buteng. Di hadin pede ngas perkat imat anda lawan sang ni Rinja sarai sa ai ingi ke dispensary. Nomor nu kan labon long mon. Betul? Ba health minister sa Rinja of custom dan. Lalu di kubri sibuni fi. Not only have bilang utrai snong jaga snong Rinja and ray lawan raru ya kaniga. Jingdan kam jo ki pai ba. Kebanira bi kishnong na do na molre nongra umpling Rinja nongri bills ter. But ngangay urang bashnong juga rong Rinjaru by di lah. Then onsen ipi. Dam ta kanika dingdan kam jong kanika thai.
One stone with two birds. One is laying of foundation stone, and another one is the distribution of the bed net. This is the missions of the government of India. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken this decision and missions to eliminate malaria in 2030. So this is not only his missions, it is the responsibility of each one of us how to eradicate the malaria from this earth. Kadi kamera mga duty jungi baro yaga bang ide punya trelang kamdei tangga missions yung Prime Minister, the Health Minister, Union Health Minister, kadi mission jungi baro yaga bang ila berat dingkong yaga kadi jimpang yaga bang ila bo target how 2030. Kadi collective responsibility. I will not forget to thanks the Rangba Ashnong, all the community volunteers, the welfare society, all friends. Those are really contributing immensely to combat and fight this COVID-19. Without you, the government itself alone will not be able to combat or control to manage this COVID-19. So once again, I put in records, once again, thanks to each one of you, everybody those who are directly or indirectly contributed to fight against this COVID-19. Charles rightly had said, before 2013, he had told me also for upgradations of this dispensary to UPHC, to the Public Health Center, Primary Health Center. I remember before the 2013, I was also the MLA of this area for 3 consecutive terms. Since then only I have my dreams, to upgrade the dispensary to the PHC. I would cannot be forget my other two friends. They are no more with us today. One is Ba Shang Pliang, who was the Rangba Dong of the Lumshian. He kept telling me all the time, Bahek Kumnu Ginjale, but upgrade no Yagani. And also one of my friends, Kanu Biswas. He was the General Secretary of the Kali Mandir. Whenever he is my neighbor also, whenever we met, he told me all the time, those days when he was alive, he said that when we will upgrade this dispensary to the PHC. I'm telling you, it's a very, very difficult to upgrade any sub-center or any dispensary in urban area. The main is we cannot fulfill the criteria. Criteria is a land. Land is a big issue. If we don't have land, where will construct the primary health center? And luckily for the Renja and the Rinja, all the neighboring areas, to have the PHC today, laying the foundation stone. The minimum criteria to have the land is 3 acres to 5 acres. Where we will get land in the urban area, 2 acres, 3 acres, 1 acres, very, very difficult. We are the lucky one, as I said rightly by Bachal, because I am the resident of this locality. So thank you, not because I am health minister, I do partially to get the scheme, but it was a dream way back in 1998 when I was the first MLA of this constituency also. So it was a dream and a cherish of all the people. We all work collectively and make this dream into reality. So I will not take much of your time, and I really congratulate to each one of you and all the health workers, the frontliners, those who are really, really working very hard. And I would also like to reiterate what our Dr. Abanwar had said regarding the best dispensary. This one, we had never get complaint. I have been working down up of this dispensary many times. I have been MLA also of this dispensary for 3 consecutive terms, but we never received any complaint. I'm not talking only to those doctors who are present here today. Even those in the past, they are really ready. They are working very hard to ensure they reach out to the people. They ensure they are catering to the need, the service of the people of this locality or of this area. So I just want to request this. I don't want to lay the foundation stone. Tomorrow it will be turned into the burial stone. I don't want this to happen. Once again, I want to tell this. I don't want the foundation stone laid today will be turned into a burial stone. Because I want this to work to be completed within the scheduled time.